Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. Smudge is right here. I don't know if he'll turn around or what, but I got my Allure box for November. Y'all, I did not get a box for October because sometimes you get to pick something and just one item. And in the last year, I'd say we've picked maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times. And when I went in to pick, the choice was a can of a hairspray that was to color your roots. So you were supposed to choose, you know, what color would be best for you. And while I was in there under my account, it said I could skip the month. So I'm like, you know, I'm going to try to skip because I've never done it before. And I really didn't want that spray. And there was something else in there that didn't thrill me, something for acne or whatever. So the thing about Allure is everybody gets the same thing. Most of the time. There are some variations. You might get 1 or 2 items different, but they're basically the same. So what you're supposed to get are 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples, and you may get another item, a sponsored item or something. And Allure, excuse me, I'm having sinus issues. Allure is $25 a month. I do have a link below if you sign up under me. I think we're supposed to get points, but I don't think I've ever gotten any, even though people have signed up under me. I don't think that works. But if you go in and sign up, the month that you sign up in, whether it's October 31st or November 1st or December 1st, whatever, you will get that month. Even if, you know, so if it's the end of October, the end of November, you'll still get that month. Hey, Blue. And you can, if you sign up by the month, I believe you're getting a $15 off right now, so $10 for your first box. And you get a freebie, a free gift. And if you sign up for a quarter, you get a little bit more off and a free gift. And if you sign up for a year, it's a really good deal. They do have a really good deal on the yearly price. It ends up being under $18 a box. So that's what I usually do. So let's see what's in this. Now, I did not pay attention much at all to spoilers. I usually do a little bit, but for some reason I didn't this month. So this is what it looks like. We got this nice white cardboard box. This is a nice box for resending out gifts and things. Red inside always. You got your tissue paper, and then you've got your stuff. So, and there's a brochure, and there's always a pretty lady on it, and it says Allure Beauty Box exclusive member store gifts guides inside. Okay, and if there's a variation, it's very faintly stamped somewhere on this brochure, which I do not see. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, y'all. No, it says November. Hey, it does say something. It says, oh my goodness, where's my magnifying glass? Sorry, y'all. Look at how it is. It's right there. It says November 23 VD. VD. What does that mean? Version D? Used to be numbers, 1, 2, 3. So anyway, version D I got. Okay, so the sponsor of this is Cetaphil. So there is an item from Cetaphil in here. Cetaphil is a good product line. When I first got eczema in my 20s, the doctor recommended Cetaphil for lotion and for washing my skin and things like that. So this one is called Healthy Renew Night Cream. It is Purify Peptides. So that's a nice sample, okay, and that is our little freebie, so that isn't going to count against our other items. So let's see what it says. Inside the box, warm up. I just got back from, this is Elizabeth Siegel is the Deputy Beauty Director. She writes a little thing about just getting back from maternity leave, blah, blah, blah. I don't really care for hearing all that stuff, y'all. So I'm just going to take things out. Well, let's see. In the back of the brochure, just so you know, they do have sales on their site. They've got some really nice boxes and things you can buy, gifts you can buy. And in the back of the brochure, they show some of them. So different skincare items and gifts, see, pretty things, and it's a great reduction of price. But you have to be a member, I do believe, for you to shop for these items. So you just go in under your account and you can find those. So let's see what I got. Okay, so it does say about the Cetaphil is $19.95 for the 1.7 ounces, the full size. This is 10 ml. So it'll be nice to try, okay? And next I see this Palm. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. I did see, now I saw this. This is Palm. I've never heard of that brand, I don't think. This is an all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. Okay, well that's nice. Cuticle and nail cream, okay. I did see a little video they showed about getting their nails done or something, so. All right, let's see what it says about that. It says, keeps hands and cuticles in tip-top shape, so any manicure looks better. This is $28 for 22 ml. I do believe that's a full size. Yep, $22, $28, sorry. It's a pretty package. So, you know, you're supposed to rub this into your cuticles. You can do that on your feet, on your hands, whatever. Okay, so that's that. Use it throughout the day after you wash your hands, blah, blah, blah. You know, a lot of blah, blah, blahs in this brochure. I'm not the, I'm not the one that's going to read all of this stuff. Next, we have an Amica product. That's a nice product. This is $32 for the 100 mLs. This is 30 ml included in the box. I do like that now. They've been telling us what size we're actually getting, so we don't have to guess what's full size and what isn't. This is called the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. So this leave-in hair mask, I will not use this, is a godsend for taming November's frizz and boosting shine. The lightweight cream absorbs quickly and works the magic overnight. When you wake up, hair looks smoother and more nourished, thanks to a cocktail of hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and coconut water. So my hair is too fine for stuff like that. I do use some sprays after I wash my hair for volume and things like that, but this would, it might not be too heavy, and I do love Amica brand. I really do. Look at how cute their package is, you know. But I'm not gonna use that most likely. Next up is this Native Spa. This is a quinoa firming body lotion. And this is a 30 ml and $25 for the 13.5 ounce container. This is a very pretty packaging. Firming body lotion. When you're my age and whatever, ain't gonna firm anything, but colder temperatures bring drier skin, so we're obsessed with this omega-rich body lotion, but it'll still be it'll be a nice body lotion, you know. But you're not gonna firm this up. It has a thing on it, but I can smell it a little bit. So I'll be interested to try that. You know, I'll use it on my legs or some arms or something. So, pretty packaging. I like it. Okay. Next we have the brand Belief. This is a moisturizing balm toner. This is a 5 ml, and this is $30 for a 200 ml. These boxes from Belief are always big, and the item is always itziest, bitsiest. Now that's a great toner to carry with you if you're going away for the weekend, maybe. It says put a dime-sized drop over your entire face after cleansing. You can use it morning and night. Try it under your new Cetaphil moisturizer to really amp up your hydrating game. Well, that's good to know. All right. So, hydrating toner. Yay. Okay. And next we have, oh, there's some coupons for HelloFresh in here. If anybody's interested in that, I think you can get overloaded on those coupons, definitely. So next we have Mud Masky. Let's see what that says. Find the page on that. I do like Mud Masky brand. It's a great brand. It does not get talked about enough, I think. I've used it in the past. I've gotten it several times here and there. Skincare. Now this is for your scalp, but it is, the first time I ever got it was in a winter box. Don't remember what box, but I got it in winter. It was a very cold winter, and it was wonderful. It was a nighttime moisturizer. It was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. This is vitamin infused scalp serum, pH balance, dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, and anti-hair loss. There's a lot that it says it's going to do there. I don't have dandruff. I don't need scalp soothing. Repairs the hair? Yeah, maybe everybody needs that, right? My hair's short. I don't know. I just got a cut, so hey, Camille. Volumizing, I always need that. Anti-hair loss, I really don't need that. It says it's fragrance free. That's a nice container. This is a full size. Wow. This is $72 for this 2 ounces. This is full size. So this does an impressive job of boosting scalp hydration without looking at all greasy. Maybe your scalp is feeling dry and itchy as the weather turns colder, or maybe it could use some TLC after too much blow drying. So this is very, very nice. I do like their products. $72. Y'all, this box is $25 if you buy it by the month. I get it for less than that. I mean, $72 product in here. Wow. That is fantastic. Okay, and then last we have the brand Medicate. Medicate is spelled M-E-D-I-K with an 8. I've had this brand before. It's a great brand. This is a $64 value, full size. Look at that pretty packaging. Love it. Crystal Retinol 3, it says. This retinol makes skin glow bright, and it's nice and gentle. So that's nice to hear when we're talking about retinol. Whether you're a retinol newbie or a diehard fan, this serum's for you with 0.03 retinol hide. The gentle concentrate is great if you're giving vitamin A a try for the first time. Blue. Or if you already love retinol's line smoothing, glow boosting powers, but don't care for the potential irritation. See, my skin can be sensitive. So I like when a product is meant for sensitive skin. I like that. I don't always have trouble with products, but sometimes I do. The super creamy texture melts into your skin, making it a joy to apply and easy to layer under the rest of your nighttime routine. To start, use it before bed once or twice a week. Very important. Skip this or any other retinol if you're pregnant. Okay. So $64. $64. What did I say this was? 72, 78? And I can't remember. I mean, these are our full-size items. The cuticle cream, very nice. And then these are our deluxe samples. And this is a nice valuable box, itty bitty thing. And then we got this extra. So we've got 7 products this time. So see, now it says on here, if you refer a friend, you'll both get $10. I've had y'all tell me that you've signed up under me, and I don't get anything. But, I mean, maybe I would now. I don't know. But anyway, I think it's a great box. If you want to be able to pick more products, if you want to be able to pick any products, except just a couple of times a year, then you really need to do Boxycharm by Ipsy. But for this price, you can't beat it, I think. This is phenomenal, the value of this. And there's things in here that I normally wouldn't have. Like this, I'm excited to try. This I really won't use, but that's okay. Somebody will use it. And then these lotions and things are nice with winter coming on. All right, y'all. And if it gets real cold and my hair gets frizzy or dry or something, I may try something like this. But I'm not the type to leave this on. I probably would rinse it out, just to use it. But I'd rather pass it on to one of y'all if I'm going to do that. And a good little sample to carry. So I really like the Allure box. I think that it's well worth the price. Well worth the price. Especially if you can afford to sign up for the year. Because see now, I was going to renew November 1st. But since I skipped a box in October, my renewal date is now December 1st. So I usually wait for the Black Friday deal, but I was looking online and they already have a fantastic deal for the year. Used to be you could get it for $1.99 for the year. That was the Black Friday deal. Now it's $2.15 for the year, and that's what I paid last year on the Black Friday deal. And if you sign up again, you get a bonus box of fabulous expensive goodies. So that's if you sign up for the year. If you sign up for the month, you'll pay $10 your first box, and you'll get right now it's a Glow Recipe product. And if you sign up for a quarter, you get that Glow Recipe product as well, and you pay less per box. So you pay the quarter at a time, and then they'll bill you each quarter. But it ends up being less than $25 a box. It's a good deal. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see you. And take care. Bye-bye.